Hello and welcome everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the watch strap on the Amazfit T-Rex 2. Actually this watch is a little bit over a year and a half old, and as the strap is still fine, that strap hook is already shown a bit worn. It's just nearly barely holding, but by that's one of the corner, and just the strap, when I close it, it just slips out of that strap hook. Okay, so what I've done, I bought two straps from Amazon. One is made by Amazfit and the other one is cheap watch strap. I bought two just in case if I didn't like this one or didn't fit properly, so I bought another one just to be on the safe side. So both straps came with the tool to open and replace the genuine strap, because it's a funny, bolt over here. It's kind of 3-pin bolt which holds the strap. So if you don't have that kind of special tool, you'll be struggling to open that strap and just replace it. So let me see first what Amazfit offers us. So that's one part of the strap. This is the metal 3-pin tool for the replacing, unbolting the strap. And this is another part of that watch strap. So this Amazfit strap is made by from nylon with kind of military kind of design. Has black, dark green, gray military kind of camouflage. It actually says written down it's a military. All this hook, it's actually metal one, and the connection hooks, they are made from hard plastic. So this is medium size. Suppose it goes like that. Easy striping, easy connection, very simple, very light. I don't know anything yet about the comfort, if it's gonna irritate my arm or wrist, so we'll see. That's why I decided go for another cheap one, just in case. It's very similar, it's not genuine, it's just knockoff of the genuine T-Rex. It as well comes with very similar tool for the replace the strap. It's a little bit longer as well, 3-pin, so at least I have two tools. It's not plastic, it rubberized, kind of silicone-ish. It's not into the same kind of softness as the genuine. It's a little bit harder, but still it's very plastic-ish, very rubberish. Has as well two hooks. The only difference I can see, the second hook doesn't have that kind of pin like over here. On the top you have a small pin which goes inside the grooves and hold that inside those grooves and hold that strap in the position. So we'll see how this one is gonna work with the watch. So I can see slightly different actually connection to the Amazfit. So the question is which one is gonna fit, or maybe both of them will be wrong. So okay, we start taking strap out of the watch. Apparently what I heard, you start unbolting from the left hand side. When you look at the watch, you take bolts out from this side, not from this one, from the left hand side. So we take the tool, slide inside that pins, and yes, it works like a charm. You unbolt it. Okay, so now we're gonna push that other part of the screw out, and take it out. So as you can see, that's why you unbolt from the left hand side, because this is the longer part, this is the smaller part which goes inside that longer bolt and screw in. Okay, so that's why this goes from the right hand side, but you unbolt from the left hand side. And this is our band, so we compare to the knockoff. It's kind of very similar design to genuine Amazfit. This is a little bit harder, but actually the fitting it's very similar. So basically, yeah, fits perfectly. Yeah, it's the same fit. Let's see the Amazfit one. So the Amazfit one, it fit as well. So let me see the Amazfit one first. So when you order from Amazon, you have to select which strap you want to go for, a different color and also different size, and make sure it's for your T-Rex 2. Apparently this cheap one was only designed for T-Rex 2. As you can see, you have to a little bit twist it to get into the position, because that bolt has some grooves which goes only in one position, and then you secure from the other side with that other end. When you align, it's very actually easy. Screw in, don't over force, because in genuine, and we have that bottom part, and actually looks very nice, because this is the black T-Rex 2 and this is black with kind of dark green or gray military, like, you know, camouflage. So now we just take the upper part, same thing, align with the 3 pins, and when you align, just twist it and remove it. This bolt wasn't torqued much, so when you screw in, just don't over tight, because you can may break the bolt, or the tool pins will stay inside. We push out the other part and this part is removed. So what I was talking about, see, this is the round part, this is the flat part. So when you screw in, you have to put the tool and twist that bolt to find the position when that pin goes inside that groove. Okay, so now we just screw in the other part, goes like that. So the long pin goes from right side through that grooves, and just see, you have to just turn to find the position, see, and then just secure with that small screw. It's very simple procedure, very easy. When you have a right tool, it's so easy. I've seen on the Amazon, I've seen on AliExpress, the different straps they offer from different tools. Some of them made from kind of metal, aluminum, some of them made from plastic. So probably I wouldn't choose the plastic one. But any metal 3-pin which is designed for the T-Rex should work perfect. It's probably more fiddly just to align that top part. That the whole unscrew process. So the all bolts secure, screw in, and that's how it looks like. So very nice. So finally, with this strap, actually I've noticed you're able to put your watch flat on the flat surface, because with the other one the strap didn't allow you put flat. It was always in that kind of bendy position, but now with this material strap you're allowed to put the watch flat. You go over here through that metal clamp, and you can adjust to any position. Not too tight. Yeah, and that's how it looks like. So like I said, this is the medium size. So with this strap you can precisely adjust to your wrist, because you don't have any grooves spaced from each other in certain distance. You can just micro adjust the strap to very tight fit to the loose one. Yeah, so that's how it looks on your wrist. It looks actually very nice, very comfy. Doesn't bite, doesn't have any sharp edges. Yeah, and it's very easy to remove, and like that. So yes, it fits straight away from the box without any modification of any adapters to the strap. It's designed actually to go with your T-Rex too. I have to say I really like it. So it gives you even that more military rugged look. Yeah. So this one will be very similar to this band. I'm gonna keep it as the replacement. It's very similar. It's not exactly the same material. This is more softer, but this is not bad too. It's very flexible, very light as well. This is the plastic one, same like this one is plastic one. So I would say this is a kind of copy of the genuine T-Rex strap, and both of them fits perfectly your T-Rex too. Okay, I'm gonna stick to this nylon military look. So that's how you change your strap on your T-Rex too. Okay, easy, simple, and works perfect. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.